Hey guys, in this video we will go through how you can retrack a bid on eBay. So let's go and do that. But first thing first, you need to know that you need to do that within 12 hours of the auction ended or within 1 hour of placing the bid. So if these time limits have passed, you must directly contact the seller to ask them to cancel the bid, which they are not obligated to do. So here you need to be really careful and decide if you really want to enter the bid. Now, what we need to do is we need first go to the options. So eBay help center. So let's go right here, help contract. Now right here in this search bar, type in retracting a bid. So click on the first option right here and you will be redirected to the new site. Okay, here you will need to find the item, provide a reason for retracting. So wrong amount, seller change description or something, and then confirm. So as I mentioned before, this is really important. So if more than 12 hours remain, you can retract. If less than 12 hours remain, you can only retract within 1 hour of placing the bid. So if retraction is not possible, so that if the system doesn't allow that retraction, message the seller immediately to explain the mistake and request a cancellation. So consequences are if the seller refuses to cancel and you win, you are required to pay. So consistent failures to pay can lead to account restriction. So really be careful with that one. And yeah, this is basically just an tutorial how you can retract a bit. So I hope this helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.